Good afternoon to each one of you, and I welcome you all to yet another video of mine wherein I am now going to focus on the construction of the line graphs using the package of matplotlib in Python. Before I could go ahead and showcase to you all these things, there is something that I would love to make you all showcase to each one of you, that I will not be using the Jupyter or Spider or Anaconda platforms for the Python. What I would like to do is use yet another simple tool which is available to us through the Google Colab. It is in fact called as, the moment you click on it, you can see that you would be coming up to the Google Colab notebook. This is the very simple notebook which is available to us through Google, and you can go ahead and see to it in your Google Drive itself. That means what is necessary is that you need to possess a Gmail ID for yourself. Number one, go ahead, create it. The moment you create it, you can go to the Google Drive, and there you can see the Google Colab notebook. I will just showcase to you. However, if you are moving through the Google search, you can simply write it, key the words Colab Google, and the first link that you can see, just click on it and you would be able to come up to this particular page wherein they are saying welcome to Collaboratory. I have few of the notebooks already, so it is showcasing to me. So I will simply say new notebook. In case not, then you can go ahead, click on to the welcome Collaboratory, and you will see these kind of things which are available. Now the last year I think the interface was slightly different, and now I am seeing that it has got a different interface altogether. So on the left hand side you can see the table of contents wherein you can get started, look into it, what all features are available, data science features or machine learning, or you want more. And here also you can do the searching, find and replace, or if you want, this is basically your own space that you can keep. What are the various variables? Just click on it, it won't be having, so it will be showcasing to you name, type, shape. I really like this kind of a stuff when I see in Python that yes, it is able to showcase to you, filter the variables also while inspector is open or not. You can see what all the things are coming while you want this one, while executing. You will see all these things available to you. The in-depth information about this thing I will be showcasing to all of you in my another playlist which is already there on Collab. You can see that one and you can go through it. This particular things I would be adding on. The next one is how to add the files into Google Colab, is also very interesting and very fascinated. In fact, it makes my work much more easier than in our studios also, though I don't have any problem over there. Now coming to the right hand side, you can see welcome to Colab. If you are familiar with Colab, well and fine. Otherwise you can just click on this particular video and they will be giving you introduction to Google Colab also. What is Colab? It is short abbreviated form. I wouldn't say abbreviated, rather it's a short form for Collaboratory. Allows you to write and execute Python in your browser. So I don't have to download and increase the memory, let it occupy some more space on my, so I prefer to work on this thing. So this part of the information I would be able to go ahead and give you later on. Right now I'm moving directly to the Google Drive wherein I have got this one already. If not, just click on new, and you will see all these things are available to us, different options. I want you to click on more, and you will see certain applications are still available. I have to go ahead and click on Google Collaboratory. The moment I open it, I would be coming up with this kind of an interface, and you will see again out here that yes, it has opened a new page for me wherein I can go ahead and I can write it down. So this is the place where you can give the title to it. Just Control A, type it. So what will happen, it will select and you can write it down, line, and then you can showcase to them. Okay, I don't want the initial one, line, and then you can write line and then click on graph. You can just write down graph 1. So here you have got the menu list as file, edit, view, insert, runtime, tools, help. You have got. Again, if you click on this, you will be getting your own area wherein you are working. If you don't want to view this one, just click on it. This is the coding area. You can click on it and you can see it will take you to the next line. I don't want, because still I have one more line to go ahead and use for my coding, so I can use this. If you want to click on text, let's have a look. It is similar to your text file. You can simply go ahead and let's say I have my code, so I'm writing entire code of mine out here. Okay, so what will happen if I want to make some kind of a changes and everything, I can do it out here. This is the space I have got. Now let us understand whether I have got all the features that I'm looking forward for my coding or not is something I will have to see. So it says import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. This is importing the package that is from the matplotlib that I want to take care. And under the matplotlib you have another package called as pyplot, which I'm going to use it for plotting the graph. Now you see here they will not use the word drawing the graph or like that. There are charts, there are graphs also, and in one of my another playlist exclusively on the graphical things using the Python, I have already explained all these things. I will give the link in the description so that some of you who are keen to understand the differences between plots, graphs, charts, figures, you can see that particular playlist of mine. So here I'm focusing on this. Since I'm using the numbers out here, I have to use the package numpy also, which is nothing but numbers which are being used in Python. As NP, I have to define them clearly, otherwise I cannot get what I'm looking for. Define the data values. What I will do, it is similar to RStudio or R programming, wherein you have to read from the right hand side to the left hand side. So what am I trying to do? I'm creating first of all I have taken few numbers 1 2 3 4, and let's say I want to take up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my favorite number. So I have taken 9 numbers and these are on the x-axis points, and then I'm saying place the array of these numbers, okay, in x. So I have created a data frame called as x and I'm placing all of them, and now I'm saying x multiplied by 2. Whatever the number is there, multiplied by 2, and create another data frame called as y, and these things you can see will be showcased on the y-axis. The next one I'm telling them is plot. PLT is the package that I'm using to plot x and y labels, that is from the x and y axis now, and I'm asking them to plot it, and plot show, that is for displaying the numbers. Though I can do it from here, but display option is always better in Python. As simple as that. Now what will I do? I will go ahead and I will select the entire thing. If you want, you copy it. If you don't want, you can simply cut, copy, paste also. Go here and submit it. Now what will happen? I have taken care of the entire thing out here, so I don't have to go ahead and search out for line by line. If you are not comfortable, you would like to see step by step how to proceed further, then what I can do, I already have this thing in this part. So what I can do it is, I will first of all go ahead and delete this one, or you cut copy it, whatever you want. I have deleted. Go to the code out here and now see the text. Is it there with you? No. So what I will do, I will copy paste again, and right now I will show it to you step by step. So what we will do, we will go ahead and look from the X part, this one, and let me go ahead and run this one first. Okay, so here once I run, you will see the output also side by side. So we can double click, or you enter to edit, or if you don't want, this is the sign, you can see it is running. Now if it has shown to you green tick mark, that means there is no error out here. So what you can do now, again, you can go further and look at the output which is coming out here completely. Now what will I do? I will go to the text and copy paste the entire thing that I have got. I think I have it with me, the line graphs. Otherwise I can show it to you if you can. Just wait out here. And then I have written y space equal to, and then I said x multiplied by 2, that is to showcase out here. And then I said, again, you can click and you can see, are you getting something? Some of the output is also coming in. Now they are telling you out here also, if you want to see out here, you can have a look. I have already written, therefore x into y for the xy this thing, and here I go here, plot the chart. So I'm not looking for this one right now, I want for this. Now have a look at it. It has showcased to you. Now in Python you will see that the chart that is being plotted for you is a four-figured one. Four-figure means you have y-axis on the left hand side as well as on the, it's like a rectangle, number one. Number two, you can see x-axis running at the below also as well as in the top. So this showcases that these are the two x-axis. Similarly for the y-axis is present on your left hand side as well as on the right hand side. This is the line that we have drawn. Now we have seen that there was one more part of it that I have written it out here, and that is what to display it. So what will I do? I will go ahead and display it. I'll take it up from here, take it. Now go back to your plot area, coding area, and just write down. So this means that it is going to display the entire chart for me. So click on it and you will see it will take time, and it has finally taken care of it. So this is how you will be drawing a simple line graph in Matplotlib using the Matplotlib I would say the package and carrying forward. There are some more varieties in which we can go ahead. Not varieties, I would say these are the different arguments that you can add more into the line graphs only, and we will see in my forthcoming video. So I will appreciate, have little bit of patience and come up to see the next video which showcases something else to the line graph. Till then, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.